When my wife and I first started our journey through recovery and betrayal trauma, it was very confusing. For the first couple of months, my wife could not even get out of bed. She could not eat and had trouble sleeping. I later found out that this was common with betrayal trauma. There were times where she would ask me to just hold her, but before I could walk over, she did not want me anywhere near her. It was come here, come here, come here, then get away, get away, get away. What was going on? Since then, I have worked hard to understand what was going on. We have been able to get to a good place in our relationship. Things still come up, but by understanding what is happening, it is much easier to react in a loving manner and have empathy. When we know what reactions make things worse and how we can react to make things better, we are able to respond with love and support for our spouse. Through this course, we will help to facilitate understanding and empathy so that you can do your part to make your relationship better.